Today we're making lemon squares. So let's get started. So for our lemon squares, we are going to need some lemon juice, flour, a couple of lemons, some sugar, some butter, powdered sugar, and eggs. So let's get cooking. For our dough, we're going to need 2 sticks of room temperature butter, and we are going to need a half a cup of sugar. And there we are. And then we are going to mix this until it's smooth and creamy. So we're going to let this go for a little bit till it's smooth and creamy, and then we'll start adding in our flour. Alright, so everything is smooth and creamy, as you can see. Now we are going to slowly add in our flour, and we are adding in 2 cups of flour. So we're going to start about half of that for right now. And then we're going to get that mixed up. And you may have to use a spatula and press the sides down. So let me get this all mixed up, and then we're going to start getting our put this in a pan so that we can get it cooking. Be right back. Okay, so our dough is ready. So now we're going to move this over to a floured surface so we can make it into a ball. All right, so we've got our surface floured, and we're going to get our dough out of our pot, our bowl. Put that to the side. All right, so we got this all ready and put together. So now we're going to start with the crust part on our lemon squares. So back in just a minute. Okay, so we have our baking dish, and what we're going to do is we're going to coat the inside with some non-stick spray, and then we're going to press our dough into the bottom of this. Getting it up to all the corners. And you want to try and keep it even. There we go. Here, and make sure it's pretty even all around. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, now we're going to place this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. And then this will go into a 350-degree preheated oven, and we'll cook that. So we're going to let this go in the fridge, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so our dough has been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. We're going to place this in a preheated 350-degree oven. And we're going to let this cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so our shortbread dough has been going for about 20 minutes, and we are going to remove this from the oven, and we're going to set this down, and we need to let this completely cool before we add in our lemon batter. So once this is completely cool, we'll keep going. For our lemon filling, we have 6 room temperature eggs. To this, we are going to add a cup of lemon juice, the zest from 2 lemons, and the juice for the lemons I added in the 1 cup. And then we are going to add in 3 cups of sugar, and we're going to whisk this up. And to this, we're going to add 1 cup of flour. Right. Almost there. Should have used a little hand mixer instead of the whisk. Would have been a lot faster, but we're just about there. So all right. Let me move this out of the way. All right, and to this, we are going to pour this over our shortbread filling. All right, we're going to add the last of this. All right, now we're going to put this in a 350 degree preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. All right, so this has actually been going for about 45 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and pull this out. As you can see, everything is nice and firm. And what we need to do now, we need to let this cool down completely till it is completely cold to the touch. So once it's there, we'll be right back. All right, so this has been cooling for a good hour or 2. So we're going to dust this with some powdered sugar. Oops, I just made a big mess. It looks like I'm going to have to get some of that out of the center, because I put just a little bit too much. So let me dump this over. There we go. So let's cut this up and make some squares. There slice out a couple little squares of these. And there we go. So we've got us some lemon squares. And so I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 o'clock. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy.